Everyone, I am just so ecstatic that I actually have a couple of minutes of quiet during the summer holidays. When you've got 5 kids, there's not always quiet time, but I'm just pumped because I have one is on the couch reading quietly, the other one's at the table painting, I have another one at the beach with a friend, and then, yeah, of course, my older 2 are at work today. So I'm hoping I've got a couple of minutes to share with you going back to the basics of essential oils. So for those of you who are brand new to essential oils, or you've never heard of them, or you've never used them, I'm going to take you back to the basics about the different ways that we can use essential oils in our home. Okay, so the first way that we can use essential oils is aromatically. So anytime we are breathing in the oil molecules and getting them into our lungs, that is considered an aromatic use. Whether you are using a diffuser, like this here, this is our diffuser, this is our Lumo diffuser. It's actually my favorite one. I love it because it runs for 2 or 5 or 10 hours. Right now I've got some peppermint and frankincense and wild orange in here. It's actually a blend called Ecstatic, which is, like I said, I'm ecstatic that I have some quiet time right now. Sort of. It's not going to last long. So aromatic you can benefit from the use of oils aromatically either through a diffuser, or you can put a drop in the palm of your hand and rub your hands together and just breathe in. We call this a scent tent, when we breathe in the aromatic molecules from our hands like this. And you can also even just take the lid off the bottle and just breathe it from the bottle, and then you're benefiting from the oils aromatically as well. So some of the reasons why we would use an oil aromatically would be to cleanse the air. So you can put in some oils like On Guard Protective Blend or tea tree in your diffuser to clean the air and to kill airborne pathogens. You can also use the diffuser to help with maintaining clear airways. So you could use like peppermint or eucalyptus or our Easy Air Respiratory Blend if you want to open up airways and improve your respiratory system. And you can also use the oils to help affect your mood. So if you're feeling kind of sluggish and tired, you can put some lifting oils like wild orange or frankincense or peppermint in the diffuser to help lift your mood, or it can actually do the opposite. If you need to calm down, maybe you're feeling stressed or anxious, or you can't sleep because there's too much on your mind, you can put some calming oils in the diffuser like lavender or bergamot or Serenity Restful Blend. Okay, so that's the first way we use oils, that's aromatic. The second way we can use oils is topically. So all of our oils you can use topically as well. We have an amazing product here called Deep Blue Rub. This is our soothing blend. It comes in a lotion form. You can also get it in the oil form as well. But anytime you're going to use an oil topically, we recommend to dilute it with some kind of carrier oil. So like coconut oil or olive oil or almond oil or grapeseed oil, just any kind of carrier oil that's going to help carry those oil molecules over larger parts of your body. This is specifically important, especially important when you're using hot oils like oregano or clove, or when you're using some of the colder oils like peppermint. You really want to be cautious of skin sensitivities. I know for myself, I have super sensitive skin, so I cannot use oils directly on my skin without some kind of carrier oil. Okay, so that's topical use. So now we also have internal use. When you have a brand like doTERRA, which is absolutely unprecedented for quality and purity and stringent quality control measures, when you know that you have got the purest oil in the world and there's absolutely no outside contaminants at all, you can also use the oils internally. So if you had, say, a stomach upset, you could use our Zengest Digestive Blend. You could put a drop or 2 in some water and drink it down. You could also even just put a drop under your tongue. On Guard is another one that people like to use internally just for daily support. It's our protective blend, so it's going to keep you healthy throughout the whole season long. So again, if it's something that you know is safe for internal use, so if that plant is safe for eating, like peppermint and oregano and tea tree and lemon, then you know it is safe for internal use as well with doTERRA's oils because of their purity. However, if you're ever unsure, just follow the label directions. It'll say right on the label whether it's safe for internal use or not. And then the fourth and final way that we can use essential oils is environmentally. So this means we can use our oils for non-toxic cleaning. This is one of my favorite ways to use oils. This is one of the major reasons why I love and I'm just honored to be partnered with a company like doTERRA, because we have all kinds of amazing products to help you get rid of toxins in your home and be able to give you healthier choices for your family. So our On Guard Cleaner Concentrate is my favorite. I use this stuff all over the house. I just get myself a glass spray bottle like this, And I got some really cool stickers. I think I found those online. So it says all-purpose cleaner. It's just a tablespoon of our concentrate, and then I fill the rest of this bottle with water. And this concentrate costs $18. And literally, guys, I can make like 24 of these massive spray bottles. So it's super effective, super affordable. It's actually cheaper than some of the things that you get in the grocery stores, like your Lysol and your Clorox and all of those things that have chemical synthetic compounds to it, which you don't really want to be using in your home anyway. So this is a very effective method and also more affordable, in my opinion, because it costs like $1.50 to make a spray bottle. So that's cool. I also have a spray bottle here, which is my glass cleaner. So once you have a couple of really key staple ingredients in your home, like castile soap, baking soda, vinegar, you can create all of your own cleaning products with essential oils. So I use vinegar and water and wild orange or any kind of citrus oil for my, my glass cleaner. And then I also have a bathroom cleaner, which I don't have within reach at this moment, but I make an amazing scouring cream with baking soda and vinegar and castile soap, and then some essential oils like On Guard and wild orange. And I love being able to clean my home with natural ingredients, because not only does it not give me that tickle in the back of my throat, I'm not strangling myself as I'm, breathing in these toxic chemicals, but I also love them because they're really effective and affordable. So those are the 4 ways we use essential oils: aromatically, topically, internally, and environmentally. Hopefully that was helpful for you. If you need more info, I actually have a private essential oil education group on Facebook. It's called Essential Living Hub, and I share so much information in there. I share recipes, I go live, I do all kinds of different events. Right now there's contest giveaways going on where I am doing a Live Well challenge, where I'm helping people incorporate these oils into their daily life, and you can win a free product every single day for the next 14 days. So if you want to join, hop in on Facebook. It's called Essential Living Hub. All right, take care, everyone. See you later.